name is Elisa and my position is top manager of an international market. Our company name is Thomas Machinery Company. We are from China and we are a manufacturer located in Changzhou City, which are near Beijing. And our product is silo production lines, which include silo wall making machine, silo stiffener making machine, silo roof making machine, all production lines related to silo. That's it. Problem is, my machine used for produce the silos. That means customer buy our machines to produce their own silo structures, silo walls, silo stiffeners, and silo roofs to build their own silos. Today in the world, agriculture is very important. So every country need to store the grains. That means many companies will engage into this business lines. So that will need our machines to produce the silos. The steel silo is long life than the concrete silos. Long life. Our machine is world #1 best, and we have a good team for design. We have good international sales system. We have good team for after sales services. So if a customer buy our machines, they can have a very nice experience. And if any customer need our machine, just contact with us for free. I feel very happy and very honored to be here, and our team are very excited because we meet many nice people here and nice food and nice experience.